So easiest and fastest way to transfer file Android to iPhone, simply open up your any image or video. For example, I want to transfer this one. Press on share, press on quick share, then you can see the QR code. Just press on QR code and you have to open your camera and scan this QR code, then press on Samsung this option, then it will be directly. So you have to need internet actually for this option. Press on download, then press on download, then it will be download to your gallery. This option. If you want to save it to your gallery, press on save image, allow. Then if you go back to your gallery, then you can easily find your image. That's it. And if you want to share video, the same way, press on share, then press on quick share, then scan QR code, then it will be like that. Thank you. Have a good day.